Duesenberg. Duesenberg. Oh, how funny. Look. This up there, you see these little houses. It's a summer camp for kids and others. And people that come from Europe. Dozer! You going for a shower? Yo. Ouch. Sorry. Ow. It's not always easy to walk and take video with all these roots. There's roots everywhere. Okay, so here we also have a gorgeous waterfall, which I'm going to show you momentarily. Yo! No, God. Oh, Lord. This dog is so sporty. Look. I mean, look. This is beautiful. All right, Mr. Doe. Oh. Ooh. I'd say I'm tired. We've been walking for an hour. I'm carrying all my stuff because I'm boiling. And, well, here we go. Ta-da. Ta-dam, ta-dam. All right, go, go, go. Dozy, do you want to dip in? Hey, dip, go. Come on. Yeah. Yeah, go, go, go. No? No tempting? No tempting? All right, Pam. Let's go, puppy. Right. He really explores, this fellow.